Meaning of emphasis.
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 Emphasis. Emphasis refers to giving special importance or attention to a particular aspect of something, in order to make it stand out or be more noticeable. This can be achieved through various techniques like bolding, italicizing, underlining, or using different font sizes or colors. Emphasis can be used in communication to highlight key points, convey emotions, or add clarity to a message. It is an important tool for effective communication and can help ensure that the intended meaning of a message is understood by the recipient.